If no leakage was detected during the previous checks, the pilot cartridge must be replaced. Before carrying out any work on the system or the lift control valve, the safety regulations and precautions must be observed. It is important to follow all the instructions and information in the associated documentation. Close the ball valve and remove the lever. Push the extension pipe onto the handle stub of the hand pump as far as it will go, then retract by approximately 3 centimeters. Turn the piston creep preventer clockwise through 90 degrees. Push the hand pump handle down until the pressure is completely relieved. Turn the slack rope safety device counterclockwise to the original position. For the I-500, close the ball valve and remove the lever. Remove the M3 screw from the solenoid plug. Screw it into the opening of the lever of the emergency lowering. Pull the M3 screw and simultaneously press the lever of the emergency lowering until the pressure is completely released. Screw the M3 screw to the starting position on the solenoid plug. Place a suitable oil drip tray below the valve. System has to be depressurized. Check pressure at gauge. Loosen the knurled nut of the A3 solenoid. Remove the solenoid and put it aside. For better accessibility, remove the screwed plug of the directional control valve. Set the screw and spring aside. Remove and exchange the cartridge valve. Reinstall the spring and screwed plug of the directional control valve. Insert A3 solenoid and fix it with the knurled nut. Build up pressure with hand pump at the lift control valve to check it for leakage. Install the lever and slowly open the ball valve. To bleed the system, perform a downward travel, or with the ball valve closed, perform a return. Perform a new leakage check after approximately 5 upward and downward travels. Should the leakage still be present after all checks and after replacing the pilot cartridge, contact Bucher Hydraulics Customer Service.